Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of doing push-ups every day. Push-ups are a great exercise for building upper body strength and toning your arms, chest, and core. They're also easy to do and require no equipment, making them a convenient exercise to do at home or on the go. But what happens if you make push-ups a daily habit? First and foremost, you'll see a significant improvement in your upper body strength. Doing push-ups every day will help you build muscle and increase your endurance, allowing you to do more reps and work your muscles harder over time. In addition to building upper body strength, daily push-ups can also help improve your posture. Push-ups work your chest and core, which can help pull your shoulders back and straighten your spine. This can help reduce pain and discomfort caused by poor posture. Push-ups can also help you burn calories and lose weight. A single push-up burns around 3 to 4 calories, and doing a set of push-ups every day can add up to a significant calorie burn over time. Finally, daily push-ups can help improve your overall fitness level and increase your stamina. By making push-ups a part of your daily routine, you'll be consistently challenging your body and working towards your fitness goals. Of course, it's important to remember that pushing yourself too hard too soon can lead to injury. So, if you're new to push-ups, start with a small number of reps and work your way up gradually. So, there you have it. Doing push-ups every day can have a lot of benefits for your upper body strength, posture, weight loss, and overall fitness level. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. And as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Steps on how to do push-ups. Here are the steps on how to properly perform a push-up. 1. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your hands should be flat on the ground and your fingers should be pointing forward. 2. Keep your body straight, engage your core and keep your back and legs straight throughout the exercise. 3. Lower yourself down by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. 4. Keep lowering yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground. 5. Push yourself back up by straightening your arms, returning to the starting position. 6. Repeat the movement for the desired number of reps. Tips. If you are a beginner, you can start the movement by keeping the knees on the ground instead of the feet. This will make the exercise less challenging. Make sure to breathe in as you lower your body and breathe out as you push back up. Keep your neck neutral during the exercise, looking at the ground to avoid any injury. Keep your body in a straight line throughout the exercise, from head to toes. By following these steps, you'll be able to perform push-ups correctly and safely, allowing you to get the most out of this great exercise. Remember, start with a small number of reps and work your way up gradually. Weekly workout routine on for push-ups. Here's a sample weekly workout routine for push-ups. Monday. 3 sets of 10 push-ups, regular push-ups. 2 sets of 10 push-ups, wide grip push-ups. 2 sets of 10 push-ups, narrow grip push-ups. Tuesday. 3 sets of 15 push-ups, regular push-ups. 2 sets of 15 push-ups, diamond push-ups. 2 sets of 15 push-ups, single arm push-ups. Wednesday, rest day. Thursday. 4 sets of 12 push-ups, regular push-ups. 3 sets of 12 push-ups, decline push-ups. 2 sets of 12 push-ups, clapping push-ups. Friday. 5 sets of 10 push-ups, regular push-ups. 3 sets of 10 push-ups, incline push-ups. 2 sets of 10 push-ups, elevated push-ups. Saturday and Sunday, rest days. This routine is designed to work different muscle groups and increase your overall upper body strength. It's important to note that you should start gradually and increase the number of sets and reps as you get stronger. Also, it's important to take rest days to allow your muscles to recover, and you can add other exercises to complete your workout routine. Remember to listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort, stop the exercise and consult a doctor if necessary. And don't forget to warm up before starting and cool down after finishing your workout routine. What are the different types of push-ups you can do? There are many variations of push-ups that can target different muscle groups and provide a challenge for people at different fitness levels. Here are a few examples. 1. Regular push-ups, the standard push-up, starting in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Wide grip push-ups, similar to regular push-ups, but with your hands placed wider than shoulder width apart. This variation puts more emphasis on your chest and shoulders. 3. Narrow grip push-ups, similar to regular push-ups, but with your hands placed closer together. This variation puts more emphasis on your triceps. 4. Diamond push-ups, similar to regular push-ups, but with your hands placed close together, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. This variation puts more emphasis on your triceps. 5. Single arm push-ups, similar to regular push-ups, but with one hand on the ground and the other behind your back. This variation helps to improve your balance and stability. 6. Decline push-ups, similar to regular push-ups, but with your feet elevated on a bench or step. This variation puts more emphasis on your chest and shoulders. 7. Incline push-ups, similar to regular push-ups, but with your hands elevated on a bench or step. This variation is easier than regular push-ups and a good option for beginners. 8. Clapping push-ups, a more advanced variation of regular push-ups, in which you push up explosively, leaving the ground, clapping your hands before landing back. This variation helps to improve your power and explosiveness. 9. Plyometric push-ups, similar to clapping push-ups, but instead of clapping, you land back on the ground with your hands on the ground, then immediately push up again. These are just a few examples of the many variations of push-ups that you can do. Experiment with different variations to find the ones that work best for you and to keep your workout routine interesting.